Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4000-watt dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter generator is an impressive machine designed for those who need reliable power on the go. With its dual-fuel capability, this generator can run on either gasoline or propane, offering versatility that is crucial for RV enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. One of the standout features is its 4,000 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, which provides ample power for essential appliances such as refrigerators, air conditioners, and lights. The inverter technology ensures that the power output is clean and stable, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and phones. I've used it during camping trips, and it effortlessly powered my RV's air conditioning and kitchen appliances without any issues. Ease of use is another major advantage. The generator features a simple electric start, which eliminates the hassle of pull cords, and it comes with a battery included. The lightweight design, coupled with integrated wheels and a collapsible handle, makes maneuvering it a breeze. Whether navigating through a campsite or transporting it to a tailgate, its portability is a significant asset. Noise level is often a concern with generators, but the Champion inverter operates at a surprisingly quiet 58 dBA, which is about the noise level of a normal conversation. This makes it perfect for use in residential areas or while enjoying the great outdoors without disturbing fellow campers. The fuel efficiency is commendable as well. When running on propane, it can provide up to 22 hours of runtime at 25% load, which means fewer trips for refueling. The handy fuel gauge allows for easy monitoring of your fuel levels. In summary, the Champion Power Equipment 4000-watt dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter generator is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly choice for anyone in need of portable power. Its combination of power output, dual-fuel capability, quiet operation, and portability makes it an excellent investment for camping, tailgating, or emergency backup. Highly recommended.